As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So we're comparing the Weber Q1200 and the Char-Broil Performance TRU Infrared 4-burner, huh? Let's dive in.
Yeah, sounds good. First thing that jumps out is size. The Weber's cooking area is 189 square inches.
Pretty compact.
Exactly. Good for a small family or tailgating. The Char-Broil, on the other hand, boasts a whopping 550 square inches.
Definitely more suited for larger gatherings then.
Absolutely, and it has 4 burners compared to Weber's single burner.
More burners means more even heat, right?
Generally, yes. The Char-Broil also uses TRU infrared tech, which they claim eliminates flare-ups and cooks food juicier.
Interesting. Weber just has a standard stainless steel burner, but it has electronic ignition too, which is convenient.
The Char-Broil also has electronic ignition and a side burner, which is great for sauces or sides.
Nice! The Weber doesn't have that, but it does have folding side tables, which are handy for prepping.
True, and the Weber is super portable at only 30 pounds. The Char-Broil is a hefty 70 pounds.
So the Weber is easier to move around. What about the grates?
The Char-Broil has porcelain-coated steel grates. They are durable and easy to clean.
The Weber has porcelain enameled cast iron grates. I think cast iron is better for heat retention.
Good point. One thing I noticed is the Weber has way more reviews.
Yeah, almost 8,000. The Char-Broil only has 50. The Weber is also a #1 bestseller.
So the Weber has a proven track record.
It seems that way. The Char-Broil is currently unavailable though.
Oh yeah, I see that. So if you need a grill now, the Weber wins by default.
Haha, true. Overall, if you need a compact, portable grill for smaller cooks, the Weber Q1200 seems like a solid choice.
And if you're cooking for a crowd and want the extra features, like the side burner and infrared cooking, the Char-Broil is worth considering if you can find it in stock.
Sounds like a plan. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.